Hello and welcome, friends. I hope you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for clicking on my video and taking time out of your day to watch. It means so much to me. I'm going ahead and get right on in the video. Today we're doing a lot of cleaning to get ready for some fall decorating and just doing some things that you don't normally do on a weekly basis. And let's go ahead and get into the video. If you're new here, my name is Tiffany. I like to post videos on cleaning, cooking. Most of my cooking involves dairy-free variations, lifestyles, and just kind of things around the house. Today I was going around cleaning my fans, light fixtures, things like that. I didn't want to show you every light fixture that I cleaned because that would make a super long video. Guys, I just wanted to share this little gadget here. I just picked this up at the dollar store. It's like the generic version of the Swiffer, and it has a handle on it, and you can extend it. I've got it locked right now, but you can extend it and then you can shorten it. This is handy like if you have trouble bending over and you need to reach like the bottom of your coffee table or chair legs or anything like that you need to dust or cobweb. This is awesome, and this is awesome especially if you need a cobweb up at the top, in the corners, your fans, light fixtures, just anywhere like where the door facings are, whatever they're called, like the doors, the doorway. This is so good to get all of those. I would highly recommend this little handy dandy tool. I also wanted to share with you another tip is when you are cleaning things, especially if you're in the mood to clean and dust, but like seriously, who's in the mood to dust? Just remember to look up and to look down. Those are the things we tend to miss, especially like if you're like 5 feet tall like me, you just go like whatever the eye can see. So just remember to look up and remember to dust those things very frequently. I don't know, once a month or something like that. And then also things around the bottom of your floors and your baseboards. You'd be surprised at how much quickly dust gathers in those type places. And of course, dust equals germs and just like stinkiness, I think. And then I want you to look, I don't know if you guys can see, but look how dirty this thing is already. Anyway, good luck cleaning. Have fun, guys. Love you. friends, we've made it to the bathroom here, which is in pretty bad shape. I haven't cleaned this sink in a couple days. And if you're wondering what that is what we call our natty traps. We have had the bloomin' gnats. Last week when I bought bananas, I brought some gnats home with me and they have been annoying me. I saw online that you can make these natty traps with apple cider vinegar, dish soap, I can't remember what else is in it, but I think we've only caught like 2 gnats in it so far, so I'm not sure it's working, but I'm going to leave it out for a little bit longer. So let's get this bathroom clean. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning video and you got tons of motivation and inspiration. Thank you so much for stopping by and take care.